Merry Christmas, everybody. This is the Previous Guy DVD openings here, and we're going to do a DVD unboxing for you guys for this Christmas Eve. You want to know what it is? Here it is, the unboxing of Holiday Christmas Favorites Collection. Yes, it's got Miracle on 34th Street 1947 version, Deck the Halls, Home Alone 2 Lost in New York, and Prancer. Front, spine, the upper spine, the top, and the down top, and the back. Okay, let's get it out of shrink wrap. Okay, we're gonna... Alright. Here's Prancer, front, spine, the back. Disc. Deck the halls, front, spine, the back. Disc. Home Alone 2 Lost in New York, front, spine, the back. Disc. And finally, Miracle on 34th Street, the 1947 version. Front, spine, the back. Disc. And there you have it. That is it. Previous Guy DVD openings out.